In our last video, I took you through the kind of prompts that you can use to be able to find a niche for yourself. I took you through how to get Claude to ask you a few questions about yourself, to ask you about what you know how to do, so that at the end of the day, Claude will use this information and will give you different kinds of niches for you to choose from. It doesn't just give you the niches, it also gives you the kind of audience you will be serving and why this audience are undeserved and all underserved and all that. For me, my YouTube channel is going to be me teaching people that are not um, that don't know much about technical things, teaching them how to use AI, the simple way to generate digital products they can sell and generate revenue for themselves. And at the end of the day, it gave me three different niches that I can choose from. If you're interested in learning how you can generate topics that will speak to your specific audience, topics that people are asking for, but you don't have enough information on. Yes, there's a lot of AI everywhere, but you find out that a lot of these videos gloss over a lot of simple things that simple people want to learn. Things that I wish somebody has taught me when I started YouTube. It would have saved me a lot. So that is what I'm doing. In this video, I'm going to take you through step by step how AI can actually help you generate revenue as a simple stay-at-home mom, as a simple retiree, as somebody that doesn't know anything that has to do with AI. So let's get started with this video and let's generate over 30 days worth of content for our YouTube channel or for our blog. I'm going to copy this. I'm going to copy the three niches that Claude gave me. I'm going to go to projects. As I said, it's always better to use projects for any new thing you want to do. I've already created a project here. I think in my last video, I showed you how to create a project, so I will not go into it. And I called the digital YouTube script. So I'll just click that. And that thing I've copied, I'll come here to instructions and I'll click on plus and I'm going to paste it here. But remember, this is three different niches, so I need to choose. I need to choose. And I want to delete all these other ones because I don't know why it was copying all. I didn't want it to copy all of this. Delete it. And I chose 1 and 3. So I'm going to delete this number 2. So this is what I want Claude to concentrate on. No? As you can see, I provide Claude with relevant instructions and information for chats within digital YouTube script. This will work alongside your profile instructions and the selected style in the chat. So you see that once you give Claude this information, he knows that whatever he's going to be doing is going to be based on this information. So save instructions. So it has saved that. And so now I'm going to come here and I'm going to talk to Claude. You know, once you click on this icon here, you click on it, you can now talk to Claude. So I have given you two different niches that you gave to me based on the questions you asked me and the answers I gave to you. Now, I need you to give me a particular prompt that I can give to you to be able to generate for me clickable YouTube topics. Topics that are outliers. Topic that will be answering the questions of my audience based on the instructions I gave you on the instructions section. So I need you to generate for me first a prompt that I can give to you, that I can use as a template for whenever I want you to generate YouTube scripts for me. So once you're done, you click on that blue tick, you click on it, and then you send it. See how easy it is? You don't need to type. You just tell Claude what you want it to think and it will come up with something. YouTube Outlier Topic Generator, reusable prompt template. It gives you also how you can use it. Swap the niche block to switch between your two audiences or run it at once per niche since the pain points differ. Add a specific subtopic line if you want to narrow it further, you know. So that's it. So it is this prompt now that I'm going to use and I'm going to give it back to Claude to generate for me my topics. So now we've gotten a reusable prompt template that we can be using whenever we want Claude to generate topics for us. Because once you can generate 30 topics, once that topic is finished, maybe we'll just adjust the prompt a little bit and let it know that it should not repeat any of those 30 topics. It will generate another 30 topics for us and we'll continue to be generating content for our specific audience. Now that Claude has given us our template, this is the prompt template we now have. We are going to copy it. From here, we are going to copy it down to here. Don't copy how to use it though, just down to here. So let's copy it. Then we'll close this window. And then we are going to paste it back to Claude. We're going to paste it. Please read it through. Ensure that in all those brackets, it is having what it's supposed to have. For instance, if you look at it here, act as a YouTube strategist who specializes in finding outlier videos, titles, angles, and so on. Then this place is said, my channel covers this niche. Ensure that it is your niche. Let us just remove this example from it. So my channel covers AI for solopreneurs, building digital products, or AI side income for beginners with zero technical background. So I am going to give it just one for now. So I'll just remove this. Let me remove this. Which one? Let me remove the second one. So I'll just give it one. Okay, so remember to do that. Ensure that it is the niche that it gave to you that is inside this bracket here. And then who are they? Example, coaches, consultants, freelance who want to turn knowledge, you know. Remove this example. So just go through it quickly. Remove anything that is a kind of reported speech. Remove it and put in the right things there. What are they afraid of? What they actually want, you know. I'll remove this example. So go through your own prompt template because whatever is going to give is going to be based, as I said, from what we started with. Claude already has a memory of what you are all about. So that is it. So once I have that, title should be 45 to 65 characters and all that. Flag your top three picks at each end with a one-line reason each is likely to. So what I'm going to do now, I am going to send this prompt to Claude and see what it comes out with. So let's see what it comes out. So here are 20 titles. 20. And see what it did. It will give hook, It will give you pain points and questions that this topic answers, your audience. It will give you suggested content angle, screen recorded walkthrough of the exact PDF too. It tells you exactly how you're going to generate this content. I turned one PDF into this in 30 days, no ads, okay? So this is specific to me. Your course idea is fine. Your AI outline is the problem. The 5 minutes AI ebook trend is lying to you. I sold a workbook I made with only Claude and Canva. Why your freebie isn't converting into paid products. 3 AI tools I stopped using after wasting $240. The outline to draft pipeline that took my ebook from idea to done in 14 days. How does the process actually work? Full time breakdown day by day. So you see, it has given me, I think, up to 30. And then it comes down to tell me the ones I should start with, the top three that I should start with, you know. Then it asks me whether I can turn this, I can use the same prompt against my second niche, AI income for beginners, AI side income for beginners. I can tell it yes, so at least I will have up to 40 topics, and this will keep you busy for a long time. So I will just tell it yes. That is for me. If you are chosen only one of the three, it will give you. Then you have your first 20 topics. But if you're like me and you chose two of the three to give you, then it's going to give you something like this, and then you're going to just tell it yes, and then it's going to generate more. So it's going to generate another 20 also based on this. And 47, I just started with AI. Here's what happened in 30 days. Did this. I have zero tech skills. I still make this with AI. Why must AI site is why most AI site hustle guides fail beginners in week one? I tend to like these other ones better than that one, sir. You know? So that's it. So I have enough now to run my channel. With this, I've come to the end of this video. This video was just to show you how you can use Claude to generate YouTube topics for you that are relevant for your audience. In my next video, I'm going to be telling you 3 things you need to do before you even upload your very first YouTube video. That video is very important for you, especially if you want to start monetizing your content with video. I'm going to be telling you 3 things that you must do. And if you've not opened a YouTube channel, not to worry. I have a full playlist taking you step by step how to open a YouTube channel and how to prepare it and make it SEO optimized. So stay tuned for my next video. It's going to be a very wonderful one. Once we know these 3 things we need to do, we'll now go ahead in subsequent videos to ensure that we do those 3 things. And then our YouTube channel will be ready for us to start generating YouTube scripts using these topics that Claude has given to us. Then we'll start our content on YouTube. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for my next one.